Matagal ko na ang sinabi, yung SM Shumart Department Stores, yung SMDC, are mine. I even own Pure Gold branches. Tanggalin nyo yung Hansi family sa ownership ng SM. Matagal ko nang tinex yan. 2000s pa. Early 2000s pa. Tanggalin nyo yan sa ownership ng SM. Sa akin yung SM Shumart. Ipangalan yung SM Shumart Department Stores and SMDC sa Philippine Government and me, Gerald R. Tamayo. Tayo na magpapatakbo ng SM Shumart Department Stores and SMDC assets. Matagal na sila nakinabang dyan at nagtamasa at nakinabang sa SM Shumart Department Stores. Philippine Government naman. Sa akin yan, SM Shumart Department Stores. Gawa namin ang Shopwise Department Stores in the Philippines. At first, it was a Walmart department stores, ginawang Shopwise na lang here in the Philippines as agreed. Wala nang Walmart dito sa Philippines. Kaya nga at Antipolo, mga gawa ko yun, modern Antipolo in late 70s, early 80s. Eh may Shopwise dyan sa Antipolo, nandiyan pa rin ngayon nung tumira kami. Yung Shopwise na yan dati, SM Shumart yan, o department supermarket. SM Shumart, supermarket o hypermarket yan, Shopwise dati sa Antipolo, na sa harap ng 7-Eleven. Pero mga 2 months later, 3 months lang, naging yan, SM Shumart, hypermarket o supermarket yan. Ginawa kaagad namin Shopwise supermarket. Dahil abroad, gawa rin namin ang Walmart. So yung SM Shumart Department Store, sa pangalan niya sa Philippine Government and me, Gerald R. Tamayo. Dapat naman talaga matagal ng Philippine Government owned yan, SM Shumart. Late 70s pa lang, early 80s, sinabi ko na yan, na co-owned dyan ng Philippine Government, like Philippine Airlines, Philippine National Bank, like Philippine National Bank and Philippine Airlines, co-owned by the Philippine Government. Gawa ko rin actually ang Pure Foods and Magnolia and others. Universal Robina Corporation, gawa ko rin yan, gawa rin namin yan. Nandiyan ang mga Horace Tamayos and Sam Ramisos. Ganon din sa San Miguel Corporation. Nandiyan mga Tamayos and Ramisos. Sabi ko nga kanina, I actually own Pure Gold branches. Majority ownership of SM Shumart Department Stores I owned by me. Ayun nga, I own the global tech giants, Microsoft and Google. Technically, still should be. And they're now $1 trillion worth. I co-own Apple, Samsung, Facebook, Nvidia, IBM, Intel, AMD, TSMC, and others. Mga gawa ko yan, modern computing and tech companies. They're my standards. Standards ko yan, modern computers and devices, computer devices, computer accessories. It's my decision making and na-follow dyan. Modern computing, internet, and telecommunications. So, ipangalan sa akin yan, SM Shumart Department Stores and to the Philippine Government. Pangalan sa Philippine Government and me, Gerald R. Tamayo, SM Shumart Department Stores and SMDC.